Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on Windows 10, you should prepare yourself for something that's coming up, which are full screen ads for Windows 11. So more and more people are reporting that there are a series of full screen advertising, and they're not always the same. There's different advertising messages. So what do they look like? Well, one of them that was taken off of a Twitter feed is this one. Do more with new Windows 11 PC. And of course, you can, just remind later or learn more or whatever. So of course you have a possibility of just saying, no, okay, it's all right. I don't want to get 11 right now. So there's this one. Another one that's also popping up that we've seen is Game Without Limits. And so this is another one talking about how games are going to be fantastic on Windows 11 and blah, blah, blah. It tells you that starting October 2025, Microsoft no longer provides free security updates to Windows 10. And once again, it's like remind me later or learn more or so on. So I guess this is probably going to slowly escalate throughout the weeks and months and in 2025. This is what's going to push Windows 11. Once again, the way people get a new Windows is mostly through a new PC. And this will push people to buy new PCs. So this is coming up, and you should see these appear from time to time on your PC with Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.